Remember me, though I have to say goodbye. Remember me, don't let it make you cry. Remember me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris, and today I am super hyped for this video. Not only is this my first video doing a step-by-step speak-through tutorial, but it's going to be the video where I announce the giveaway that it's going to begin today and it's going to end on April 30th, 11:59 p.m. EST. So you're gonna have plenty of time to enter this giveaway. This giveaway means so much to me, you guys, because it's almost a year that I have literally been on YouTube. So before we go ahead and jump into the eye tutorial for the Amorus palette called Remember Me, which is of course inspired by the movie Coco, I want to go ahead and show you guys what the second and first place prizes will be. So the rules are really quick and easy. Here are the steps to follow. You have to be, of course, subscribed to my channel. That's number one. Number two is for you to click that thumbs up button, the like button for this video. Number three is to comment down below what video made you hit the subscribe button. And of course, after saying that, just leave a way that I can contact you via email, Instagram, etc. So if this is your first video you're watching for my channel, you're coming into a fun one. So let's dive into this eye tutorial. Now, I'm not doing a full-on review of this palette, you guys. If you want to find out more about this palette, you can go ahead and look on their website. I will leave their website down in my description box. Honestly, you guys, they have really great stuff. I went ahead and I reviewed their Cake Pop palette. I'll leave a link for that up above. So I did want to go ahead and do a tutorial for this palette, which I've never done before. I even went ahead and decorated this cute little Coco skull that we found in Marshall's. And you kind of just go when you're talking about Remember Me. I highly suggest you watch this movie because it was such a cute movie. Now, I know this isn't a review, guys, but I'm going to show you what the palette looks like on the inside. It does come with a very large mirror. It does fold all the way back. And here are the beautiful colors. Now, I'm sure you guys have seen many colorful palettes by now. So many brands have come out with colorful palettes, and I own probably most of them at least. The formula in this palette is so good, and I definitely suggest giving this a try, especially if you don't have a colorful palette. But I'm going to bring this up closer so you can just see how it looks. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and start this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with a BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, and I'm going to dip into Smooch. I'm literally just going to take it like this, dab it in a couple of times, boom. Now I'm going to go ahead and take that and dab it onto my eye. I'm not going to do windshield wiper movements. I'm going to dab it first and then I'll blend it out. Look at that pigment, you guys. That pigment is not a joke. I absolutely love the formula of Amorus. It's insanely pigmented. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start moving back and forth to just blend this color out. I just want to kick it back a little bit to extend it. Now I'm gonna dip back in, get some more product, just like so. And I'm going to put it on my outer V as well. Oh my god, look at that pigment. Oh, you would think I would not be surprised, but it just shocks me every time. Once again, doing my windshield wiper movements, bringing it into my inner corner of the eye. Not all the way down, like I'm not going all the way down here. I'm kind of stopping right here, and that's it. I'm going to blend this out a little better and bring it out into a V. Most of you guys know I use a clean sweep. I use this every time I want to use the same brush. So I'm going to go ahead and dust that color off. And look at what I'm talking about. Red's not there anymore. So next I'm going to dip into High Key, this beautiful matte orangey color. And I'm going to put it above the red line right here where the red stops. I'm going to put it right above and a little on top of it as well. Again, dabbing it on just like I did with the other one. Just a little bit more with some color to bring it in. Okay guys, so I didn't add anything more to my brush. I'm just going to blend these two together. I mean, there's really not much to blend because the shadows just blend so easily. Next I'm going to go in with this purple matte shade called Mood. As you guys know, I cannot resist a good purple. And I'm going to dab it in right here, the outer corner of my V, just to darken it up a bit. Intensify this look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You guys. And what just really shocks me about this is that it's so affordable. It doesn't cost a lot. I'm just going back in little by little product to just bring it up because I don't want to go in with too much and then it looks horrible. I'd rather go a little at a time, build it up, than make a mistake, especially with a dark color like purple or black and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and now start bringing it up and over. Now I have a tendency to lift my eyebrow while I'm doing this because I have hooded eyes. If you don't have hooded eyes, then I envy you, because hooded eyes can be such a pain to work with sometimes when doing an eye look. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did with the red earlier and just kick it out into this V. I'm going to go ahead and use the Jello shot in the shade Gold Goddess for the whole lid. The same thing you see here. I didn't cut my crease. That is just this Jello shot. This is very similar to the ColourPop one as well. And by the way, I'm using, oh, I forgot. This number just faded, but this was from BH Cosmetics. I just can't remember the number. I think it was number 9. I want to say number 9, but it's just a very flat brush. I use it for like cutting creases, detailing, things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on my eye. Look how gorgeous that is. And one thing that I did notice with this is that it brings out the texture of your lid, which doesn't really bother me. I want my makeup to look natural. I don't always want to look like a porcelain doll. So if you have textured eyes and you're not a fan of that, then I would not suggest getting this because it's just going to show that more. But yes, I am pretty much just mapping out my line. Now, if this is hard for you, I totally understand. I would suggest cutting your crease. If you guys want a tutorial on how to cut your crease, let me know down below and I'll do a quick little video on that. Okay guys, so now I'm going to drag it out just a little bit. I don't want to do it too much because I don't want to cover all of the purple. I will be going back into the purple to just blend on top of this gold, which does blend easily. Okay. Oh wait, I gotta go up a lot more. When I compare it to this side is like going more up, so excuse me. I'm just going to speed this up. Now I'm going to go back with Mood, just a tiny bit, and I'm going to blend on top of this. And I'm kind of going in a slant. I'm not going straight like this. I'm turning my brush and I'm going in a slant like so. Okay guys, the last part is going to be the lower lash line. I'm going to be using the Crayon Case pencil brush. I love this brush so much. I'm going to start off with Mood, that purple. I'm going to tuck it right in the corner, right here, under my lashes, little itty bitty ones that I got down there. And I'm literally just blending it in with this part up top. I put Mood up here, so I'm putting Mood down here. So it just blends in with the colors and it makes just more sense to me. Using the same brush, I'm going to go into Smooch, same red as earlier, and I'm going to put it right next to the purple. I'm going to actually go a little over it so it can blend together. Look at that, so pretty. I honestly don't even need more, but I just want to add a little bit anyway, just that extra sometimes. And lastly, I'm going back to High Key, the orange that we used on top of this red earlier, and I'm going to put it into the middle right here. We're going to go ahead and put Amuse, just like this beautiful green. It's like a light green. It's so pretty. Look at that color. I love it. I'm going to tuck it right here in the inner corner. Ooh, look at that pigment. It is there. And that's with a dry brush. So all done with the palettes. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my eye off camera. I'm going to put some white for the waterline, black for the liner, mascara, and some Glam Light Brooklyn style piece lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up this eye tutorial featuring the Remember Me palettes and the Jello shot by Amorus. I love this brand. I hope you give them a try. If you have any questions whatsoever, in case I missed anything, in case you need more tips on something, let me know down below. Remember the 3 steps in order to enter this giveaway. You have to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below the video that you decided to hit the subscribe button on, and of course the way that I can contact you in case you win. Alright guys, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you.